To measure sleep breathing on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you simply have to do is first go into the Huawei Health application. From here, you'll have to go for the devices and go into your Huawei Watch Fit 4. Let's go in there, and from here you have to scroll down, and there you can find this option, Sleep Breathing Awareness. Let's simply go in there, and you'll have to agree a couple of different things right here. So as you can see, let's agree this one. And here is the information, what exactly is this sleep breathing awareness, and here you can see some examples and usage notice. From here, simply press this activate button, and now this function has been activated successfully. And now all you simply have to do is just put your smartwatch on your wrist every time you are about to go to sleep, and this function will automatically measure your breathing and will give you all of these results. So this is basically how you can do this. Also, if it is not working, simply go into the sleep breathing awareness and actually take a look at the top right corner right here. Go into the sleep awareness and make sure that this sleep breathing awareness, this function is actually turned on. Right now it is turned on, and that's how you can do this.